how to buy TAJIR media token. So this token came under the symbol of TGRM. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address came under this Solana network. Now open your wallet. For that I will use the Bitcoin wallet. I will log into my wallet first. Now after that, what you need to do, just click here and select this Solana as a network. Click on this plus icon, paste the token address here to be able to add it to your wallet. Now click on this plus icon. So after you add it to your wallet, now go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added called TGRM. So after you find it, click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet before going and buy this token. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So if you are while, as you can see, you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. So after that, click on swap here and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy TGRM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.